In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful crochet edging. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kauthar. If this is your very first time here, and I'm Nigeria's crochet queen, my aim is to teach you how to make original crochet pieces of your own, so that even if you want to make something and there's no crochet pattern to follow, you will be able to still bring that piece to life. I do this by sharing unique crochet stitch tutorials on my channel that you can use for your different crochet projects in order to come up with something unique and beautiful of your own. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to work this very easy crochet edging. It's very easy and it looks lovely. It's only a 2-row repeat, so there are only 2 rows in this edging, which makes it so easy to add to your crochet project. You can add it at the bottom of your blouses, at the bottom of dresses, you know, any project where you just want to finish it off nicely with an edging. Even blankets, it would work very well with blankets. Before we get into today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Also, if you want to learn how to use the different stitches I share on my channel to create crochet pieces of your own, I'm going to link a YouTube video that I've done in the past where I'm teaching you how you can create your own crochet pieces without following anybody's pattern. Just check the description box below and you'll find a link to that other video. All that being said, let's begin this tutorial. To begin, I'm going to be chaining 34 because we need a multiple of 16 plus 2. And you know, 32 is a multiple of 16 plus 2, which is how I've arrived at 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 32, 33, 34. I have my 34 chains done. The next thing I'm going to do is work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to work a single crochet in there. Then I chain 3. I skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the next chain I do a single crochet. Then I chain 2, skip 3 chains, and in the next chain we do a treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2. Just watch me. We do a treble crochet. Treble crochet is yarning over twice. Treble crochet, chain 2, another treble crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 again, and then another treble crochet in that same stitch. So this is what we have: treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, all in the same stitch. Next, we chain 2, skip the next 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, skip the next 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next. This is one motif complete. So a motif begins from this chain 3 to the second chain 3. This is one motif. So we're going to begin the second motif by chaining 3, skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the next. Now we do the V-stitch variation, chain 2, skip 3 chains, and in the next chain we do the treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet again in that same stitch, chain 2, and treble crochet again in that same stitch. We have this, and we're just going to finish up by chaining 2, skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the next, then chain 3, skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the very last chain. And that brings us to the end of row 1. This is what you should have. This is a very easy edging pattern because it only has 2 rows. So the second row is when we'll finish this pattern. To begin the second row, we chain 1 and then turn, single crochet in the first single crochet here, And in this chain 2 space, we work 2 double crochets there. 1, 2. In this treble crochet, we work a double crochet in there at the top of the treble crochet. In the next chain 2 space, we work another 2 double crochets. Now in this treble crochet in the middle, we're going to be working 3 double crochets at the top of that treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And in the next chain 2 space, we work 2 double crochets. In the next treble crochet, we work 1 double crochet there. And in the last chain 2 space here, we work 2 double crochets. So this is what we should have. So we should have 13 double crochets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. And next, we work a single crochet, not in this single crochet here, but rather in the next single crochet after the chain 3 space. We work a single crochet in there. So we're going to have something that looks like an inverted V, just like this. Then we go again with the double crochets, starting from the first chain 2 space, which is this one. So you skip this next chain 3 space, and in the next chain 2 space, we do 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In the treble crochet here, we do 1 double crochet. In the next chain 2 space, we work 2 double crochets. In the treble crochet in the middle, we do 3 double crochets there. In this chain 2 space, we work 2 double crochets. And in the next treble crochets, we work 1 double crochet. In the last chain 2 space, we do 2 double crochets. Now to finish up the row, we're going to be working a single crochet in this single crochet, the last single crochet, which is the first single crochet we did at the beginning of row 1. And with this, we have come to the end of the pattern. It is really easy. It's a 2-row repeat. As you can see, I'm just going to cut off my yarn now and fasten off. I hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below for more crochet tutorials. If you have any questions at all, feel free to also leave it in the comments down below, and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. You can also find other crochet stitch tutorials on my YouTube channel. Just scroll through to see there are different stitch tutorials and different crochet edging tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.